Hello everyone, in this video I will show you if you can download Forsaken AR on iOS without PC. Method 1. Using alt-store on device. This is the most reliable method for installing the Forsaken AR IPA file directly on your iOS device. First, download the IPA file. Use Safari to visit the Forsaken AR game Jolt page and download the latest Forsaken AR iOS IPA file. Install an on-device signer. Download a tool like alt-store or Scarlet directly to your device. Note, if alt-store requires a PC for the initial install, search for Scarlet iOS No PC as a direct install alternative. Trust the profile. Go to Settings General, VPN and Device Management, tap on the Enterprise or Developer app profile and select Trust, and finally sideload the game. Open your signing app, tap the plus icon and select Forsaken AR IPA file you downloaded. The app will install and appear on your home screen. Method 2. Troubleshooting and settings. Before installing, ensure that your device settings allows for external installations to prevent errors. Disable low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn off the low power mode. Background app refresh. Ensure this is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. In Settings, General. Content restrictions. In Settings, Screen time. Content and privacy restrictions. Make sure the installing apps is allowed. Important warning. Be cautious of websites claiming to offer no jailbreak downloads that require you to complete tasks like playing a game to level 10. These are often scams designed to generate ad revenue and will not install the game. Only download IPA files from trusted sources like the official game Jolt page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.